babies just woke up, and their pen's even still dirty, but I wanted to show you a movie where they were moving around, making noises. These are Sophie and Reese's puppies. And they're starting to walk, and purr, and bark. Somebody's purring. Oh, real dog sounds. Very good. Can you believe that puppy barking? There's Tiger. You can hardly see Tiger. You see they have a pee pad introduced already. Bogey, quiet. Their pen's dirty, like I said, because they just woke up. I wanted to show an active film. And we'll get more film later on today.